Hello, all my dearest students of CA Final Full English. I hope you all are doing good. I hope your studies are going on great for your upcoming exams of May 2025. So here I have come up with a great surprise for you all, for all my dearest students of Full English, especially from the southern part of the country, who struggle to understand Hindi, because of whom I have to record the same thing twice, once in Hindi and once in Full English for you all. So the surprise that I'm going to reveal to you all, I guess you might be knowing about this surprise, which I have been doing for the last 4 attempts from May 23, November 23, May 24 and November 24. Now this thing which I'm going to reveal is going to be one of the most important video ever for any CA final student. According to me, this is the most important video, more important than any other revision video, any other MCQ video, any other total income video. It is more important than any of them. What am I talking about? I am talking about one and only super compilation. Super compilation of what, sir? Super compilation of what? Which things you are going to compile over here? I am going to compile for you all in full English exclusively for May 25. 9 RTPs including the May 2025 RTP. 10 MTPs including the May 2000 MTP whenever it will come. And 9 exam papers including the last attempt exam paper November 2024, May 25 exams obviously you guys are going to give. Earlier I used to compile around 6 to 7 papers of each of them, but now I have improved myself. Every time a person has to improve himself. So this time I have improved myself to increase the number of papers to how much? Earlier we used to compile around 18 to 20 papers, max 22. This time we are going to compile 28 papers, 9 plus 10 plus 9, 28 papers we are going to compile, and I'm going to compile it so comprehensively for all of you that it is going to be comprehensive, yet it has to be in a very short period of time, in around 6 to 7 hours. In 6 to 7 hours, maximum 7.5 hours, we are going to compile all of them. You cannot imagine revising 28 papers a day before exams. You cannot imagine, one cannot imagine revising even 5 papers a day before exam. We are going to do the impossible over here by revising 28 papers in a day. That is absolutely crazy. Believe me, nobody in this entire country for any subject has even dared to do this particular thing for CA final or CA inter, for any level of CA. Neither for CA inter nor for CA final. For any of the subjects you are not going to get this compilation except from us. And from us also you will get in both the language. Whichever you are more comfortable, you can go for that. You can either go for Hindi if you are more comfortable with Hindi, and if you are comfortable with English, you can come to this video 100% English. I will be doing it for you all, don't worry. Now, there is one more doubt which is going to come to your mind, sir. ICI has released this time some model test papers. Yes, ICI has released 6 model test papers this time. They have put 6 papers this time around in the month of Feb. But it's just a copy paste from these papers. If you go through all the 6 model test papers, all of them are just copy paste from our 28 papers only. It is just copy paste from their RTPs and their MTPs and their past paper only. They have not done anything new for you. They have just copy pasted from there, and then they have made 6 papers from there. That's it. The compilation which we have been doing for the last 4 attempts, they have done it in the form of 6 papers. And they have given the name as model test paper. So if you do this 29 compilation, 28 papers, sorry, with us, then by default, you will be done with what? You will be done with the ICI model test paper also. You don't have to worry about it, okay? Now, the most important question. And before that, one more thing. We have done all these things in class. We have done all these RTPs. You know that. We have done 8 to 9 RTPs in class, then 8 to 10 MTPs in class. I have explained you 8 exam papers in class. We have done 20-25 papers in class. We have done in our regular batch, we have done in our exam oriented batch, we have done in our practical question batch, we have done all these things in our class, but the objective over here is different. In class, we have taken around 25-30 hours to complete these things. But now, a day before exam, we don't have 25 to 30 hours. We need to wrap it up in a very, very, very fast manner. And that is the reason this compilation is going to be something where we are going to revise this at a very, very faster pace. At the same time, you will understand everything, you will try to remember everything, and it will also be done at a very, very lesser time as compared to what we have done in class. In class, we were understanding the things. Here, we are going to recap the things. There's a difference between understanding for the first time and doing a revision. The revision has to be 3 times faster as compared to what you have taken the time at the first time. Therefore, this compilation is going to be the most important compilation for you all. Don't worry, I'll be putting the MCQ video also for you all in the next 2-3 days for full English students. I will also be putting the total income videos for you all. I will also be putting the remaining revision videos like capital gains and transfer pricing. I'll put all those things. Don't worry, give me some time. Let me breathe. Okay, I am one person. Teachers are not able to put revision video for one language also. I have to put revision videos for 2 languages. So it takes time. It's not that easy to record these things. This is also not that easy thing to record. It takes a lot of efforts to record this. Now the most important question, sir, when are you going to release this? I'm going to release this in somewhere around 10th of April. First I'm going to release the RTP, and then I'm going to release the past paper, and then I'm going to release the MTP when it is released. ICI has not released the latest MTP so far. So first we are going to put the compilation of RTP and then past paper and then MTP. Okay. So in this manner, we are going to start with the compilation of the 3 things, and 28 papers will be done. One video will be around 2.5 hours to 3 hours maximum. Total will be around 7 to 8 hours, 8.5 hours maximum, not more than that. Okay. Now, what I want from you all is there was a lot of confusion. There was a lot of ambiguity among the students that will you provide the new RTP, MTP, past paper compilation, sir? Definitely, it is my duty. So shall we follow the old one? No need to follow the old one. I will be putting the new one. Okay, and every year I put the new one around 15th of April only. It's not that this time I'm late. I'm quite early only. Every time I'm put in the month of April only. I don't put before April because I have to wait for the latest RTPs and MTPs and the past suggested answers of the ICI. Before that, I cannot put all these things. So now what I want from you all is I request you all to comment below that you have to motivate me for all these things. Your motivation matters. It's not that easy to record all these things. You have to tell me, is this compilation going to help you all? First of all. Secondly, by when you want this to be uploaded. Okay. By when you want this to be uploaded, please let me know. And what all things you want from me to be uploaded at an earliest, in what priority. Okay. So I hope this video will help you all. It has helped to my past students to a great extent. And I hope that it will help you all also to a great extent. And believe me, around 70 to 80% paper is going to come from here only. After you are done with 28 papers, there is a very little scope left with ICI to make new questions after that. Okay. 28 papers will cover almost 100% of the concepts. After that, it is very difficult to twist a paper for a student who has done this 28 papers correctly with me. And believe me, 7 to 8 hours, we are going to complete all 28 papers. As a student, if you sit, you cannot complete even 2 to 3 papers in 7 to 8 hours. But here with me, you are going to complete 28 papers in 7 to 8 hours. Okay. So comment below by when you expect me to put this particular video for you all in full English. Okay. Till then, take care all of you. Bye. See you soon.